Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you run or manage a retail pharmacy or medical store, this video is made for you. Today, I'll show you how a complete pharmacy business is executed inside Odoo 19 using their ERP, our AI powered Odoo Copilot. Instead of manually creating medicines, customer sales, purchase, batches, and expiry dates, I simply gave one prompt to their ERP and everything was executed automatically. In the next 10 to 15 minutes, I'll verify each and every step inside Odoo and show you how a real pharmacy runs digitally end to end. So let's grab a coffee and get started the video. Now I will move to create the Odoo database from odoo.sh. So I'll move in odoo.sh, click on your deploy platform. I'll create a new repo. I named here SMR for Messi, SMR for Messi 01. Okay, so then simply I will paste this subscription code here. Then I'll move by deploying this platform. Let's wait for some time. Nice odors. Our database is ready. Simply what I have to do here, I have to move this main into production. So this also takes time. Then we will connect our database. Amazing. Now it is moved into the production. So I'll click on this connect button. Then our Odoo instance is ready. So now what I have to do, currently it is completely blank. So I have to change the password here. So I'll move into the users. There is administrator. In this, I have to click on this get icon, then change password. I simply keeping the password here, then it will get changed and then logged out as well. So I have to log in here by entering the credentials properly. Then I have to log in. After login, what I have to do, simply I have to copy this URL and move into the DearERP. So you can directly move here also like this. Just go the DearERP.com website and then click on sign in. It will redirect to this page here. Then you can click in this project here, then create the new project. So like this also you can follow, and you have to follow this one only, where I have already this DearERP tool already opened in my system. So that's the reason I'm simply moving, creating the new project from here only. So what I'm keeping the name here, SMR for Messi 001. Okay, so then when I whatever I have copied the URL, if you remember about it, I have copied the URL from here. Okay, so simply what I have to do, I have to paste. So keep an eye on this. Whenever I paste this URL, database name automatically get appear, so we don't need to write the database. Okay, like this. And then admin is username, and then password is whatever I know I have kept here. Then we have to follow the direct mode. If you need any explanation about the direct mode and module mode, you have to follow another video. We have discussed in a detail about these modes. Okay, so now I'm moving to the extensive. Then it will create a new project by name SMR Pharmacy 001. Let's wait for some time. Boom guys, our project is ready. We can do the implementations, customization, and all over executions in this project. So I'll give the prompt to DearERP to execute the operation here. So keeping in mind this should be in execution mode, which is write mode enable. Okay, so what I have given this prompt, We will discuss after execution in detail, like taking each and every step. I'll explain all about it. But now, just being a overview, I'll simply walk through around these requirement. So it actually contains the business details and basically create a fully configure a complete retail pharmacy business inside Odoo 19. So keeping the business details and also creating the product categories, creating the product with images and full configuration, then enabling and configuration would be there, creating the customers, vendors, and also generating a complete sales flow, generating business purchase flow, then here update inventory, generate reports. Okay, so all these things, these operation we required, so that's the reason I'm giving this prompt. Okay, so I'll simply click on this button. Let's wait for some time till we see the execution. Boom guys, our response is ready. SMR Pharmacy complete setup summary. So we can check step by step each and everything. Then we will see how things are getting executed inside the system here. Now I'm starting the checking process here. So first we have to move into the product. So in sales module there is a products, right? So I went into the product, then nice, all the products are created here. So I'm opening here paracetamol, and then all the details, product type, invoicing policy here, and then inventory, tracking the inventory, on hand quantity updated, everything, sale price and taxes, cost, categories also updated. So nice, just based on the prompt everything is happening here. So all pharmacy products are already created by DearERP. This product is a storable item basically. So sales and purchase enable, batch numbers and expiry dates are enabled, which is critical for medicines. So how we can check expiry date here? That's the question here. So we can follow this process here. So simply what I have to do, I have to click on this more. In more there is lot serial number. So when I'm clicking here, you get to see here dates, expiration date. That means this will be get expired after this date, Feb 10. Nice. But need to make sure here everything has to configure from the settings, because this expiration and lot serial number should be configured from the settings. Like I'm moving into the inventory. In inventory there is settings. In settings what I have to check, just expiration, okay, or lot serial number. So this should be checked. Unless until it will not check, then we won't get the expiration dates as well, right? So we have checked, that's the reason we get that information. So in pharmacies, selling expired medicine is a serious risk basically, we know that part. Odoo tracks batch numbers and expiry dates automatically, so nothing slips throughout manually. And then third step here, what we have to check, we have to check the customer verification. For that I have to move into the sales only. In sales there is customers, so there is both customers are available here with the entire details. Okay, nice. So pharmacies deal with both walk-ins and regular customers, so DearERP created both. So we can track the sales history, invoices, payment behavior, everything is a clean and organized. Then I have to move into the sale order execution here. So we have to move into the sales, then I have to move into quotation. In quotation we getting the lot of sale orders, right? So few of them are walk-ins and few are not walk-ins, direct orders. So here is medicine sale already executed. What we can do, we can easily see prices, taxes, quantities are calculated automatically. If you check, you get it done. Once confirmed, this becomes a sale order, no manual work. we know that part here. This process has to be followed in that. First it will get quotation, then quotation send, then it will become sale order. Okay, so now we have to check the next one here, invoice and immediate payment. From sale order to invoice, right? So currently, uh, it is after the sale order, it will get generate the invoice. We have to click on the create invoice button, but now it is already executed through DearERP, so I'm directly moving here. Okay, so nice. Invoice actually explains like how many products are added in this, and what's the payment status and everything regarding that customer and other things. Okay, so uh, in pharmacies, payment is usually immediate, right? Cash or UPI. So DearERP created the invoice, validated it, and registered payment automatically also. Then we have to move regarding the delivery and stock rate reduction. So in sale order itself, there is a delivery smart button, right? So I'm moving into the sale order, this delivery smart button. So in this, once delivery is validated, okay, so stock is reduced automatically batch wise, no manual stock adjustment and no confusion here. So what happened? If you check the on-hand quantity of these both products, you will get decrement in that, because products are delivered from these warehouse to somewhere else. It might be any internal transfer, that also we get to know and get to track. If it is completely out from the warehouse, that also can be tracked, so no confusion here. So and next, inventory impact and expiry tracking also we can do. In inventory itself, there is a reporting. In reporting, we have to move into the stock. Once we enter into the stock, everything given in detail, right? What's the product's name, and per unit how much cost there, and total value of that on hand quantity, how many are available, and everything. And also we can track the history also. When I click on any specific particular product, how many times it get trigger, I mean how many times it get out, how many times it get in. So this information is available here accordingly. This is the real power. I can see which medicine expires and how much stock is left and its exact value in real time. Then we have to move into the purchase flow. How we can do that? We have to move purchase module. In purchase module, there is vendor list. Okay, so there is two vendors are available here. So just I'm showing here vendor. Now I have to move into the purchase order only. So in purchase order, like two vendors, whatever we have seen, both are we have purchased from them only. And then when I click on any specific one here, we already getting entire details of these products, when we have purchased and how much quantity is there and how much cost it is there, how many uh, taxes are getting applied in that time, so and where it is delivered, SMR pharmacy warehouse. So everything is configured accordingly. So DearERP already created purchase order and receive products. Inventory updates instantly with batch and expiry details. Then we have to move into the reporting here. So reporting and decision making means we can consider this one. In sales, there is reporting. Okay. So simply what I have to do, click on the sales. So what happens in this, like if I click on any this pie chart, and when I just move and hold on here, simply we get to know the how many quantities are ordered in a month. So we can easily bring the analysis here, and we can predict the outcomes and profit and loss, everything we can think about it. So this is a a good analysis charts all in a different shapes are available, so we can track our sales and our profits and loss everything accordingly. Okay, so these reports help pharmacy owners make real decisions, which medicines sell fast, which are slow, and what to record and what to reorder here. So in a conclusion, this entire pharmacy setup, like products, batches, expiry tracking, sales, purchases, and reports, was executed by Dear ERP, not explained. That's the difference between ERP AI that talks and ERP AI that works. Dear ERP, the that AI who is actually working, not just explaining or talking. If you want an advanced pharmacy flow or another industry demo, comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.